This is Donald Williams. He's a guy that witnessed Floyd's death, and he stayed very professional on this trial. Check it out.
So about 2009 you start,
Correct.
through 2020, correct?
Correct.
How often during that time period are you in the gym training?
That's Monday through Friday. Like I devoted my life to mixed martial arts and my kids' life to mixed martial arts. So it's a 40 hours or more a week job at the Minnesota Martial Arts Academy. I was in there majority in the mornings from 10 a.m. to sometimes 3 in the afternoon training for hopefully a fight.
Defense attorney Eric Nelson tried to make him angry, but I think he stayed professional.
You called him a tough guy.
I did.
You called him a real man.
I did.
You called him such a man.
I did.
You called him bogus.
I did.
You called him a bum at least 13 times.
That's what you counted in the video?
That's what I counted.
And that's what you got, 13.
And that was early on, right? Those terms grew more and more angry. Would you agree with that?
They grew more and more pleading for life.
All right. After you called him a bum 13 times, you called him a bum.
That's what you heard?
Did you say that?
Is that what you heard?
I'm asking you, sir.
I'm pretty
Did
sure
you
I
say
did.
that?
You heard that. I'm pretty sure you did.
You called him a
If that's what you heard, I'm sure that's what
I'm
I did.
asking you, did you say that?
If that's what the video recalled, that's what I did.
You called him a
If that's a video you heard from the video,
It's
that's
a
what I
yes or
did.
no, sir.
If that's what was heard on the video, yes, I did.
And at one point, you said that Officer Tao pushed you.
That's correct. He didn't. He put his hand in my chest, is what I said.
And you observed Officer Tao push someone else, right? Or feel like he pushed someone else.
I didn't let him touch anyone else.
Do you recall saying, I dare you to touch me like that. I swear I'll slap the both of you.
Yeah, I did. I meant it.
So again, sir, it's fair to say that you grew angrier and angrier.
No, I grew professional and professional, and I stayed in my body. You can't pay me out to be angry.